Is money the root of all evil? A couple of days ago, I read this Facebook post which was talking about money, the root of all evil, and where do you get your money from if you think that money is the root of all evil? Where have you been all these years? And as I was reading in the comments below that post, I saw many people that said like, yes, money is the root of all evil and money is bad. And we still need money to survive. Now, if you believe that money is the root of all evil, you will never ever be wealthy. You will never ever be rich. And I honestly believe that you will live a life of mediocrity and brokenness. Now, let's go back to the basis of money. What actually is money? Well, money is a means of exchange. It started from, changing chickens for cows and then clothing for eggs or whatever, which was very, very inefficient. So they changed it to be called coins, which was kind of heavy and people could steal it. So that was being changed for banknotes. And nowadays, money is light, isn't it? With a click of a button, I can transfer thousands of pounds or dollars or euros to someone else on the other side of the world in less than a millisecond, like that. So I really believe that money is spirit, money is light, and therefore money is neutral. Money is not good, money is not bad, it's neutral. It's neutral up until the way someone judges it or what they do with it. You see, there are many rich people around the world that are bad, but there are also many poor people who are bad. And there's also many, many rich people that are really good and they're supporting charities and are doing great work. And there are also poor people that don't have the financial resources, but they still manage to give some of their time or to do good things with their life as well. So I really want you to look at your beliefs, your money beliefs. Do you have this money belief that money is the root of all evil, or the love of money is the root of all evil, both of which are just complete BS? I want you to look at your life like, is it really, really true? And look at your judgments around money as well. Is it really true that money is bad? No, it is not. Money is neutral up until the point that you judge it. Now I would love to hear from you. Have you been brought up with this illusion that money is the root of all evil? Or have you solved it? Let us know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you.